Hey, what's up guys? So here I was doing a test batch for the customer. So what I'm gonna do is, just did it towards the back, not up front. But what I'm gonna do, you can see here, I mean the difference. This is all washed, degreased, all the de-ice fluid taken off. And then here I just did a one-step. It's like a one-step compound polish. And you can see the difference. I mean, holy crud. And that's just from the exhaust, from the thrust reversers or whatever. So it kicks out along the fuselage. Now, I don't think it's acceptable to leave it like this. You take a few photos, you send it off to the customer, and I'll feather this out. I'll take a wax and just polish and feather this out. There's not this like stupid abrupt line on the aircraft. I don't think that's really ethical in my opinion. So there it is.